everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Getform submissions in Google Sheets. Let's suppose I am running a university where I am going to organize a seminar. As this seminar is an important one, I want to mark the attendance of all those who are attending it with their contact details. Manually entering the details and marking the attendance will consume a lot of time, and that's why I'm going to build a form in Getform so that I receive the responses of the students and save them in my Google Sheets. I can automate this entire process of receiving the students' response and saving them in my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. I just need to build connection between Getform, where the students will enter the details and submit the form, and Google Sheets, where all these details will be saved automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Getform response submission in Google Sheets automatically. For this, we are going to create automation between Getform and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here we need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click here and you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow, for which we have to click Create Workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as Add Getform Submission in Google Sheets. Now it's asking to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So let's select the folder. These are the folders that I have created. So now I'm going to select Google Sheets Automations and click on Create. As soon as I click on Create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is Trigger, other is Action. Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many action applications as you want in a workflow. In this workflow, I want to add Getform response submission in Google Sheets. I want to add my students' attendance with the details in my Google Sheets. So as soon as the students submit the form, the details are automatically added in my Google Sheets. So my trigger application will be Getform and my action application will be Google Sheets. So let's select my trigger application as Getform. And the trigger event as New Submission, because as soon as the new submission will be made, the workflow will get triggered. Now we need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Getform, so our webhook URL is given to us. This URL will act as a bridge to connect my Getform with Pabbly Connect. So now I need to log into my Getform account. Here I have already logged into my Getform account, and this is the form that I have created. So on the right side, you can see these options where we have to click on Automation. And over here it's written Send Webhook Request. You have to click on three dot, click on Edit. And over here I need to enter the webhook URL which is provided to us in trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly. And we need to copy this webhook URL. And just paste it over here. Next, we need to click on Complete and click on Save. Automation updated. Now we need to check whether Pabbly is connected to Getform or not. For that, we have to fill the form. So this is the form that I have created. So let's enter the name as demo and email as demo20@pabblytudes.com and mobile number as, and click on Send. The form was submitted successfully. Let's go back to Pabbly and check whether the response is received or not. Yes, we have successfully captured the response. These were the same details that we have entered. The name was demo, the phone number was this, and the email was demo20@pabblytudes.com. We have received this response with date and timing of the submission. So Getform is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Let's move to the next step, which is action application. So I want to add submission from Getform to Google Sheets. So here my action application will be Google Sheets. And my action event will be add new row. Because as soon as I receive a new response, a new row will be added. Click on connect and click on save. So Pabbly is successfully connected to Google Sheets. This is my Google Sheet where I want to save the form responses with name, email, phone number, and the name of the spreadsheet is Get Student Details. Now I need to select the spreadsheet. So from here I'll select Get Students Detail. And now it's asking for these details, which is name, email, phone number. Now I need to enter these details, and to enter these details I'm going to use mapping, which means I'm going to insert data from my previous step. So I have received response from Getform. So here I'll click on Getform and select my name as demo. Next I need to select the email. I'll click on Getform and select the email. This is the email. And phone number as the same process, I'll select this phone number. Okay, so mapping is important so that every time you receive the new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually typing the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Next, we just need to click on save and send test request. So the response is received successfully. Let's go back to Google Sheets and check whether we have received the response or not. Yes, this was the same name, same email ID, same phone number. To check whether our automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's fill the form again. So let me enter my name as dummy and my email as dummy20@pabblytudes.com and my phone number as, click on send. The form was submitted successfully. Let's go back to Google Sheets and check whether the response is received or not. Yes, we have successfully captured this response also. So we have successfully created automation between Getform and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.